Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you ready for some more fun reading? I am. That's nice. Good job. Can you count with me? 3, 2, 1. Done. Another cat in the hat story. But this one is a little bit different. This one is called There is No Place Like Space. There's no place like space. All about our solar system. By Tish, Rabe, illustrated by Aristides, Ruiz. Nice. Let's take a look. I'm the cat in the hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. I'm so curious. Let's see. Jump in. Here we go. We'll fly up so high we can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past to the stars, and in case you have missed them, you will soon see. The planets in our solar system. What else will they see? Can you see any more things? I see so many things here. This is amazing. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun. They all circle around the sun. And soon you'll be able to name everyone. Are you ready to learn the planets? I am. Mercury is close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. This is Mercury. Look, during the day, super hot, and freezing at night, so cold. Super, super cold. On Venus, the weather is always the same. Hot, dry, and windy. Hot, dry, and windy. With no chance of rain. It doesn't rain there. Today's weather on Venus really hot. Nearly 900 Fahrenheit. Can you imagine how hot this is? Windy and dry. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It is my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. It is our home. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is third from the sun. Third. First, second, third. Number 3 from the sun. It is our planet. Dun, 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 dun. Do you know the name? How do you call our planet? Are you ready? Earth. That's right. Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it never will stop. Home sweet home. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a teasy. If the Earth is always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? Spin, spin, spin. We are never dizzy. Are you? I'm never dizzy like that. We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way because we're spinning right now every day. Yes, we're spinning with it. We are spinning all together. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Look at this. Sneezing. Achoo! Shoo. Travel to Jupiter, and you will find it is bigger than all planets combined. Yes, look at Jupiter. So big, and all the planets inside, because it's the biggest planet of our solar system. It's amazing, isn't it? Saturn has rings. Can you see the rings? It's so light. Who would you think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. It could float. Float. Sink, bloop, under the water and float. Like that. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Yes, Uranus has lots of these objects around it. These are satellites around. Can you see them? Good job. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, planet 8. It's a beautiful blue. Look at this blue planet. Super beautiful, isn't it? Yes. That's right. We have seen all the planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Are you ready for the trick? To remember all the planets: Mallory, Mercury; Valerie, Venus; Emily, let me go close, get closer. Emily, Earth; Michael's, Mars; Just, Jupiter; Saved, Saturn; Up, Uranus; 999, Neptune; 999, Nichols. So let's read. It's a sentence. Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Michaels, Just, Saved, Up, 999, Nichols. Take a look. Can you read with me? Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Michaels, Just, Saved, Up, 999, Nichols. Good job, guys. Look at this. All these nickels. Little coins. Nickels. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. So, the first letter of each word of the sentence, it's the first letter of each planet. See? Amazing, right? This is a really good trick. Now, here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. Look, you can trace and connect the stars and make constellations. Yes, Great Bear, Great Dog, the Bull, Lion, Orion. It's start dot to dot. Dot to dot, dot to dot, or star to star. Use your imaginations and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. That's right, guys. Good job. Do you know any other name of constellations? Nice! Thanks for sharing. A dog, the Great Bear, and Leo the Lion, Taurus the Bull, and the Hunter, Orion. These are some constellations. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball, and it's hot, 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 hot. And there is one star by far that is our favorite one. Do you know which one it is? We can't live without it. The star called... Dun, 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 dun. Do you know which one we're talking about? Are you ready to see? 3, 2, 1. Oh, the sun! That's right, guys. Good job. It's the sun. From the Earth, it looks big. There is one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. It's the closest star. That's why we can see it so big. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt. Yes, you need to wear sunglasses, okay? Your eyes would get hurt and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? Do you know how big is the sun? We just heard right this minute 1 million of our Earths could all fit right in it. 1 million of our planet Earth could fit in one sun. In this sun, our sun. Super huge. Oh, look at that time. We must go very soon. But first, we must take a quick look at the moon. We almost forgot about the moon. Look how beautiful it is. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror, reflects the sun's light. So, the moon glows at night because it reflects the sunlight. That's right. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been to before. Amazing. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon car called a lunar rover. This is a lunar rover. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. That's what Thing 1 said. It's so interesting. Look how nice. Can you imagine that? Astronauts had been to the moon. They stepped on the moon. That's amazing. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present. To look in the sky, just put this telescope up to your eye. He gave them a telescope. Take a look. Have you seen through a telescope before? I have. It's amazing. You should try, okay? Oh dear, I must go fly back up to the stars and take Things 1 and 2 out to dinner on Mars. They're gonna have dinner on Mars. How awesome! But there is lots to discover and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something that's new. Maybe if you see through a telescope, you can find something new. The end. Snip, snap, snover. This story is over. And if you like the story, clap your hands. That's right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.